A strong magnitude 7.6 earthquake hit southern Philippines, causing significant damage. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A powerful magnitude 7.6 earthquake struck southern Philippines on Saturday, the U.S. Geographical Survey said, as local authorities warn of a destructive tsunami and urge people in coastal areas to flee. A number of videos of the actual quake have been circulating online, which depicts what actually transpired.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Relax na tayo, relax na tayo.
Struck at a depth of 32 kilometers or 20 miles at around 10:37 p.m. local time. The country remains on high alert as a destructive tsunami is expected with life-threatening wave heights, the Philippines Institute of Volcanology and Seismology said on X, more formally known as Twitter. It said that waves of more than 1 meter It said that waves more than 1 meter above the normal tides are expected to hit the coast and advised people to move to higher grounds immediately. Quakes are a daily occurrence in the Philippines, which sits along the Pacific Ring of Fire, an arc of intense seismic as well as volcanic activity that stretches from Japan through to Southeast Asia and across the Pacific Basin. Most are too weak to be felt by human, but strong and destructive quakes come at random with no technology available to predict when and where they will happen. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.